Don't stop. Don't stop. Let's go. Let's go.
Keep going. 14. 15.
What is up, BeFitNow fam? This is Coach Amp with over 20 years of personal training experience. All right, guys, now today we're gonna beat that chest up, and we're not gonna take a lot of exercises to do it. Just 3 movements. We have the pec deck, which the Kahuna is amazing for. Then we're gonna do some incline Smith machine, and we're gonna finish off the day with some dips. Let's get it. Okay, guys, now we're about to get this chest going, starting off with the pec deck. Guys, before we even go ahead and jump into it, go ahead and like and subscribe, all right? I want you to subscribe so that every time we put out a new video, you are gonna be privy to it and like it because you just gonna like it. All right, let's go. Let's get it, baby. Slide your butt a little bit more forward. There you go, there you go. All right, guys, so now if you notice, our athlete his backside is slid forward, right? And he's leaning back. Arms are kind of down at an angle so that we can focus on the lower part of the chest. For 10 reps, then he's gonna slide back, right? We're gonna hit the medial portion of the chest. We're gonna take the arms just a little bit higher and target the upper portion of the chest so we warm it up thoroughly from top to bottom. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Focus on flexion, baby. 1. That's it. That's it. That's it. 2. Yeah. There you go. 3. Come on. 4. Yep. 5. 6. When you get to that all the way out there, straighten your arms out. Straighten them out. We'll get a deeper contraction. Let's go. Squeeze. That's it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Let's do it. Upper pec, baby. 1. That's it. That's it. Come on, right there. Let's go. Let's go. 2. 3. That's it. 4. Come on. Come on. 5. Stay focused. Stay focused. Think about this right here only. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. 7. Yes, sir. Come on. Yep. Let's go. 8. 9. One more. Squeeze. And 10. Yep. Yep. Set 2. Let's get it. Yep. Yep. Backside forward. A little bit more. Give it a little bit more exaggeration. Slide forward just a hair more. There you go. That's it. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Yeah. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Squeeze. Lock in, baby. Lock in. When you get to the end, straighten them arms out. It's all about that adduction, bringing the bicep closer to the pec. The closer you bring it to the pec, the deeper contraction we can get. The benefit of this movement, guys, we have to, everything that we have at our disposal, we need to optimize. So he's thinking about 10 reps in each plane, but basically I just got him to do a 30 rep set. But the good thing about that is we can stimulate the muscle different by changing the position. So there are ways to manipulate the mind and the body. Yep, let's go, baby. Come on with it, come on with it. Come on with it. All you got. Give me all you got. All I want is what you have. Yep, come on. Yep, yep. Yes, sir. Last one, last one. Upper pec, baby. Yep, flushed all the way back. Give me a little space in there. That's it, just like that. Let's go. Squeeze. Right there. Let's go, let's go, let's go. That's it, that's it, that's it. Come on. 3. Yes, sir. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Let's go. 4. 5. Come on. 6. Come on. Come on, come on. Come on, there you go. Come on, come on. Yep, come on. Come on, come on. Guys, a wise poet once said, let it burn. All right, let's go, baby. Let's go. That's it. That's it. Yes, sir. Come on. Yep. Yes, sir. Give it to me. Give it to me. Yes, sir. Good set. Good set. Good set. All right, guys. So Now, on to the work, the real work, baby. Incline Smith machine. All right, now, the way we're gonna conduct this set is gonna be one big set, ascending and descending. 3 reps and we're adding weight. 3 reps and we're adding weight. Until we can't do 3 reps no more, then we're gonna reduce and come down in the same fashion. Guys, one thing about having a Smith machine is, a great thing about it is, number one, the bar path is already predetermined for you, for your chance for injury is so much less. You don't have to worry about balancing the weight. Now that means that you have to be in a proper position so that you direct the stress to the place where you need it and you don't injure your shoulders, all right? Now, the Kahuna, man, is the best Smith machine on the planet because of what comes along with it, all right? Guys, get you a Kahuna. Don't think about it. Go right now to the website, BeFitNow, and order you one right now. All right, let's get to work, baby. Let's go. One, yep. 2, yep. 3, bring it, lock it. Let's go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, lock it. Let's go. Come on. 1, yeah. 2, yeah. 3, lock it. Let's go. Let's go. Drive your feet harder to the floor. Let's get it. 1, come on, let's go. Let's go. 2, again. Drive it, see it through. Lock it. Yep. Let's go. Come on. 1, 2, 3, lock it. Go. 1, 2, 3, lock it. Don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. Last one. 25 reps, baby. I don't care how you get them. Give them to me. Let's go. Go. 1, 2, come on. 3, 4, yeah. 5, let's go. 6, 7, come on, let's go. 8, 9, don't stop, let's go. 10, 11, come on. 12, come on. 13, 14, come on, don't stop. 15, come on. 16, come on. 17, 18, 19, 20, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lock it. Good, right there. Now, we're gonna hit that lower chest with some dips, all right? We're doing 15 reps. The first 3 reps is 5 seconds up on the ascension, all right? Let's get it. All right, bro, push up nice and slow on my count. 5, 4, 3, all the way up, 2, 1, and down, that's 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3. Now let's go. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Excellent. Yep. All right, guys, our second and final set. All right, now on this set, all right, we're gonna give 5-second counts on the ascending and the descending 5 seconds as well for the first 3 reps. And then we're gonna go till failure, whatever that number is. Guys, this content that we give you, this is 100% real. What we want at the Gains Garage, we want to give you guys something that you can duplicate, that you can try out and get real results in real time. And we're just gonna keep flooding you with it, all right? All right, listen, if there's anything that you want to see us train, comment, all right? Just let us know. We'll do it. We got you. All right, let's get it, baby. 5 seconds up, 5 seconds down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 up, all the way up. 5, 4, you good. 3, 2, 1, and down. 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ride. Go. 4, 5. 6. Come on. 7, 8. Stop right there. 9. That's it. 10, 11. Come on. 12, 13. Keep going. 14, 15. Come on. 16. Come on. 17. Come on. 18. Come on. 19, 20. Come on. 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Yeah. Thank you for watching. We work hard to make the best content we can. Please like and subscribe. Turn the notification bell on for new updates and leave comments with any questions and concerns, or just show your support. Peace.